Welcome to Digital Cosmos.
I'm Shruti.
I am Prasad.
We are a daughter and father duo. We like to call us DAFA, which is short for daughter and father. Can you tell them about what we do and who we are?
Yeah, we are Dafa. She's the daughter. I'm the father. And our business is Dafa Rocks. We are going to rock the world with our skills and tools and services.
So we'll tell a little about who we are as a business. So we are actually Digital Cosmos. That's what our company is called. And under Digital Cosmos, we offer three services: web design, videos, and
Digital marketing. So, web design, we are having the main website as prowebdesign.agency, where we provide cost effective, affordable, and stunning websites
for
for
small and local
to
businesses.
start with small and local businesses. And as we grow, we may go to even large organizations, but right now we are more concentrating on small and medium businesses. Why? Because there are millions and billions of small and medium businesses that require online presence across the world. That being huge, we thought of taking it as pilot project and touching millions of businesses to build their profits and doubling their profits in next 2 years.
So our mission is to help at least 10,000 small businesses use the power of internet by 2020. So starting with web design, we want to also help them use their website, because a website is only one part of the equation. We want to help them have a website, a good one that converts people into leads and then customers. So we want to make good websites for them and also teach them how to use it effectively so that the website works as a 24 hours available salesman for them.
From there, we wanted to add video marketing to their websites, making it more powerful because videos are the shortest and smartest way to convey your message and products to your customers. We always targeted win-win situation, and we encourage our clients to go for what is good for the customer. We work on customer first basis because it is ultimately the customer who decides our fate, and he decides the course of any business, and we have to accept it, and customer is our king.
So is content. So, yeah, this is our path. We are starting with web design, and we also want to help small businesses incorporate video because video is the future. And by statistically, by 2019, about 80% of the internet traffic is going to be video. So that means uh, uh, 4 out of every 5 clients that you see would probably find you through video. So that's a really huge market share, and we don't want you to miss out on this. There are a lot of times when there's a trend and it goes really huge, and we wish that we would have taken a part in it. But video is going to be that, and we don't want you to be left out. We want you to ride the tide with us and reap the benefits of video marketing and grow your business online.
Then we'll move to the next stage of SEO and digital marketing at small levels because for small businesses, the budgets will be the constraint and the time and efforts that makes little difficult for going in a big digital marketing way. But still, having said this, we don't leave any stone unturned and we'll try to tap into digital marketing as far as possible, starting with local SEO and then social media and content marketing, and slowly we will develop their e-commerce if it is applicable. We both are qualified from top world-class leaders in all avenues of the digital marketing. We have 9 certifications each, from analytics to e-commerce. So digital marketing will help small businesses to grow exponentially over a period.
So we've established what we want to do for you and also why you need what we do. But let's talk a little about why choose us. So we are basically a father and daughter duo. So our biggest uh, plus point is the fact that we have both experience and also the energy and drive to keep up to date with whatever is happening in the industry. So we're always looking for state of the art tools. My dad comes with all the experience. He's worked in the industry, in a different industry, but he's been following what has been happening for over 25 years now. He has always been interested in the internet and he was always exploring and learning about it. And I was also into it. Like, we were into computers from quite a young age. My dad was interested, so we caught a bit of it. And so we started working together on this from 2013, but fully jumped into it from 2015. And digital marketing being a very, you know, something that's really going big right now. We've been in it knee deep almost right from the beginning, and we've helped. My father has gone all around the world learning more about digital marketing. I myself have helped over 10,000 bloggers in their blogging journey, and all of this with our knowledge and interests. We've found that sweet spot, which is helping local businesses, which is an interest of his and mine. And we are really excited to help you go to that next step in your business.
Yeah, now working together from same house, staying together 24/7, will have a greater edge. We'll have the momentum of working together, and we both are got we as we got qualified from same institute in the same course, and me being from corporate experience, though it is oil and gas industry, the top world class industry, with all corporate experience for 30 long years, and she totally having the energy of her age and creativity. We complement each other and we work hand in hand. That is the advantage what everybody will get best of both
And
worlds.
I almost forgot how we always wanted to pursue an MBA together, but even if it was not an MBA, I think we've done something better and we've done that together. And it's really cool because, we had a lot to learn and it was really fun.
No, instead of doing MBA, we are Masters of Business Administration together. So we are uncrowned kings of business administration. So we are MBA Masters of Business Administration. We command the business, online business, and my passion for internet grew from day one of internet inception in 1995. I continuously updated myself as internet was growing exponentially. Then I was always wondering how to tap into this most powerful weapon on earth. So that made me to learn a lot, and almost I was churning internet and searching for the ways to tap into it. Of late, in 2014, when I met my guru, Pangzun, the doors were opened. And he has opened the doors for me, and he taught me the initial things of how to do it. After which, I went to attend his advanced class at Bali for 5 long days, spending around $5,000 and working hard. Since then, no looking back. Then, having reached that stage, I resigned my job in 2015 October and dedicated myself in pursuing my dream of taking the fruits of internet to each and every doorstep of common man who will not be able to do it on his own.
So that's about it for today. So to just summarize, we are Digital Cosmos, and currently we are focused on growing small businesses and local businesses online through our pro web design